In this video, I'll show you how to set up your new iPhone 16, 16 Plus, Pro or Pro Max with your older iPhone. So how you transfer what's here in there so it's done quickly. Well, let's get started. First of all, when you power on your new iPhone 16 and you place it close to your older iPhone, you're going to have this screen appearing on your older iPhone. Set up new iPhone. If you do not see this, don't worry, okay? Let's say nothing appeared. Just set this old iPhone apart and do what I will show you. So select your language. I'll select English, your country and region. The appearance, leave it to default unless you want bigger text, bigger icons, then you can choose large or medium. I'll leave it there. Press continue. And now we are at quick start. It will ask you to bring your old device close by. So over here, you see I brought it and again the screen appears, and hopefully this time you're gonna have this appearing. If this didn't appear again, I suggest you restart your older iPhone, okay? And then try again. All right, so once you see this on your other iPhone, press unlock to continue. And then unlock the phone. I'll do it with my Face ID. Next, it will say connecting, and you're gonna see a animation on the screen. You just need to bring this phone so it scans the animation. So you're gonna scan with your older phone the animation. It takes a second, sorry. Perfect. Now we just have to wait. Over here, you're going to see your Apple ID of your older iPhone. If it's the one you want to use, and probably it is, right? You're going to select Set Up for Me. If this new phone, the iPhone 16, is for a child, I'm going to select Create New Child Account. But this is my phone, so I'll select Set Up for Me. Enter the passcode of your other iPhone. So enter whatever PIN code this iPhone had. Okay, now we're gonna wait. Press continue. It will ask you if you want to set up Face ID. Most people will, so press continue here. Point the camera of your iPhone 16 towards your face. Press get started. And now it's time to scan your face. So just move, make a circle, you see, with the green lines until everything is filled up. Okay. If you plan using your new iPhone 16 with a mask, choose use Face ID with a mask. If you don't plan using a mask, don't use Face ID with a mask. Continue. You're gonna press continue. It will sign in into your Apple ID. And now it will ask you, what do you want to transfer? Okay, so you can choose everything or only some stuff. So here you have apps and data. I suggest you leave it like this, so all the apps will be transferred. You have settings. Do you want the settings that were on your older iPhone about Siri, screen time, and other stuff? Do you want them to transfer? If so, leave them. If not, you can click. And here you can see each of them and customize what you want and not. And you have wallet. So if you have credit cards or any other cards in your Apple wallet and you want to transfer them, well, I'm going to see here, I only have one thing. It says one item, but if you don't want that, click on wallet and deselect that credit card or whatever card you had. Once you're ready, press continue. Turn on location services. Press on that. If you had a credit card, it will ask you to input the security code. If you don't want to do this right now, or you want to do it in the future, press add this card later, and the card won't be added on your new iPhone. Here it will ask you if you want to share your iPhone analytics with Apple to help them improve their products. If you don't want that, click don't share. Continue. It will ask you to customize the action button, this button right over here of your new iPhone, because it can do many things. Click customize. And you have silent mode, voice memo, flashlight, camera. It can launch many different things, and this is up to you to shuffle through this and decide what you prefer. Let's say I'll put flashlight because this is something I use very often. Press continue. Here, camera control is just to tell you that this button exists and it can control your camera. You can click on it, press continue. Press continue. And now let's just wait because things will get transferred. Okay, so this will take a while. You see already, I think 5 minutes passed and still 27 more to go. One important thing is that both of these should not run out of battery. So I highly suggest you plug them into a charger just to have a peace of mind. Alright, so it took about 40 minutes. The iPhone restarted and now this is what we are with. If I unlock the iPhone, you're gonna see that it's not completely done. The apps are downloading, so it may take another hour or even 2 hours depending how many apps you have. And once everything is downloaded, you'll be good to go. Everything would be copied over. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.